Arriving in Bangkok at midday, the first step is to get connected with a local SIM card directly at the airport and exchange a small amount of cash for convenience. Better exchange rates can always be found later in the city. Ordering a taxi through the Grab app is the easiest way to reach the hotel. The first base for this trip is the lively Khao San area, the beating heart of backpacker Bangkok. After checking in, it is worth taking a short walk around Khao San Road and its quieter neighbor, Soi Rambuttri, just a few minutes away. Rambuttri offers a more relaxed atmosphere, cozy local restaurants, and a taste of everyday Thai street life. In the afternoon, head by taxi to Lumphini Park, one of the city's green lungs, where locals exercise, relax, and watch the sunset. Large monitor lizards wander freely among the trees and lakes, adding a unique touch to the park's calm setting. As evening falls, return to Khao San Road, which transforms into a vibrant world of street food, music, bars, and night markets. For a quieter dinner, one of the nearby air-conditioned shopping centers such as MBK Center offers endless dining options and a comfortable break from the tropical heat. The second day begins with culture and history. Just a short walk from Khao San lies the Grand Palace and the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, a magnificent complex that once served as the residence of Thai kings. The golden spires, intricate murals, and sacred statues capture the soul of Thailand's royal past. After visiting, take a boat cruise along the Chao Phraya River, Bangkok's main waterway. The tourist boat stops at several piers along famous attractions, allowing travelers to explore temples, local markets, and riverside neighborhoods. In the late afternoon, visit Lumphini Park for another beautiful sunset. Its modern skyline view reflected in the lake makes it one of the city's most scenic spots. From there, walk towards Sukhumvit Soi 10 or Soi 11, where rooftop bars and stylish restaurants await. A drink at Above 11 or Havana Social with panoramic views of the city lights is a perfect way to end the day. The third morning is dedicated to one of Bangkok's most unique experiences, the floating markets. An early tour to the Dam Non Sa Duak floating market and the Maeklong Railway Market offers a glimpse into traditional Thai commerce. Boats filled with fruits and snacks float through narrow canals, and at Maeklong, a train passes right through the market several times a day, with vendors folding their stalls within seconds. These scenes are among the most photographed in Thailand. After returning to the city, stop for lunch at MBK Center, a convenient spot filled with local food stalls and international dishes. Later in the evening, relax once more around Khao San Road or try another rooftop view at Octave Bar in Sukhumvit 57. For those with energy left, Chinatown is an explosion of flavors, neon lights, and street food worth exploring before the trip ends. On the final morning, enjoy a quiet breakfast before heading to the airport for the flight to Phuket. 4 days in Bangkok reveal the perfect mix of ancient culture, street energy, peaceful parks, and unforgettable food. From royal palaces to night markets, from canal rides to skyline bars, every moment captures the city's rhythm, fast, colorful, and endlessly fascinating.